I'm back again, and here we go again, guys. We're gonna be opening Chocolate Surprise again, and including, I got another little slime ball right here. And the hilarious thing is, when I grabbed these out of the bag, I didn't realize I got the same color, so that's kind of convenient. But today we're gonna be opening the advent calendar for the chocolate surprises. And the last time we got a chocolate surprise, it was a Christmas tree. So this one is Crystal Slime Surprises, and it comes with four little unicorns in here, guys. They can either have wings or just the horn, so this is super cool. And I really, really want the white one, so let's open these up, guys. Okay? And I should open this up first because I don't have scissors for this and it has no tear strip. Why? Okay, where is it? And if nobody knows what's going on, well, my TV's off the fridge, that's why you'll hear it. So there we go. And let's open it up. Like crack like an egg. Come on. Oh, ooh, look at this. There's so much slime. Oh my god. Oh wow. That was a lot. Okay, how am I gonna get this out? Oh my god. It's probably gonna be a long video. Oh my god, that is super great. What is it about the slime that gives you just the satisfaction you need? Oh my god. Oh my god, why? Why you all open? Oh my goodness, I need to use scissors. I could use scissors to pop it out. There we go. Okay, just take it out like that. Ooh. Ooh, I want to play with these so much. And the hilarious thing is, these are the same slime it was. Ooh, look at that. Lots of slime. That's so great. Oh, there's more on the thing. Come on. I want to get all the slime off. Now, nobody knows about this in America, but in America, we're not allowed to have chocolate surprise like eggs, like the Kindle surprises. So, it's illegal here. Ooh, look what I got. And the slime went through here. Way. Oh my goodness, there's so much. And here it is. This is our little unicorn, or Pegasi if you like. This is so cool. It has wings, it's got a little unicorn, and look, it could stand up. I think. Nope. That is super awesome, guys. Okay, let's put him over there. And the hilarious thing is, when I open these up, there's some more slime still stuck inside. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now let's open this chocolate surprise. So the other one day we had the choo-choo train. We got the Christmas tree today, and last time I believe we had a reef. So let's see what's opened. Ooh, what's this? Okay, let's come on. Oh, it won't come out. Oh, come out. Your other friend was able to pop out. Oh, here we go. Let's just put this back where it was. And we got. What did we get? I can't tell. What is it? I think. Oh, we got a little reindeer. Oh, where'd the reindeer go? We got a little reindeer. That's cute. I'm gonna mean that. And well, guys, that's it for today. And I'll see you guys again. Oh, I was trying to push the door back in, but it won't do. So yeah, I'll see you guys again in my next advent calendar. And take it easy, guys. Bye bye.